Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive, if it's installed, the speaker mesh, the stand arm cover, the stand arm, and the display assembly rear cover. Removal. Remove the 3 P2 Phillips head screws on the webcam box. Carefully turn over the webcam box, removing the webcam cables from the routing channels on the webcam assembly. Unhook the metal springs on each side of the webcam assembly. Note, there are small brackets positioned on each side of the webcam assembly. Remove the T15 Torx head and the P1 Phillips head screws that secure the brackets to the display panel assembly. Remove the brackets. Make sure the webcam assembly is in the up position. Remove the webcam assembly. Replacement. Place the webcam assembly onto its position on the display panel assembly. Note, the metal side brackets are labeled R and L. Place each on the right and left sides of the webcam assembly as you face the front of the unit. Replace the T15 Torx head and P1 Phillips head screws to secure each bracket to the display panel assembly. Note, both metal springs have a loop at each end that attaches over the hooks on the webcam assembly and the brackets. Hook the loop at one end of the metal springs over the hooks on the webcam assembly, and the loop at the other end of the metal spring over the hooks on the brackets. Carefully turn the webcam box back into place, replacing the webcam cables into the routing channels on the webcam assembly. Replace the 3 P2 Phillips head screws on the webcam box.